Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in a little series I'm doing on the recovery options of Windows 11, we have an option that is for those that have a lot of problems. Windows crashes, Windows freezes, there's always something going bad, um, and you just can't really enjoy using your computer. If the problems are not caused by hardware issues, because sometimes they could, then a PC reset might be a good idea. So if you go into your settings, into the system tab, and go down to recovery, you will have as an option reset this PC. And if you click here, it will give you two options. Keep my files, which is removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files, or removes everything if you want to remove everything. So basically, this is like a Windows complete reinstall. It will install a fresh copy of the latest version of Windows 11. It will, if you keep your files, keep the files of the folders like documents, pictures, and music, and so on. But you will lose your apps. You will lose the settings if you personalized Windows in a certain way, because if something is wrong in there, that's the only way you can make sure that you recover a Windows operating system to a good working copy. So that is an option to keep your files if you don't have a backup, which you should always have, by the way, or you just don't want to have to copy all your files again on the PC. So just keep your files. And best option I would say is if you have your files somewhere else, if it's okay, the real best option is remove everything. This will ensure you that you have absolutely nothing that's left behind, and you will be getting just a fresh new copy of Windows 11 pre-installed on your PC. So this is an option that is, the worst case scenario when people, you're to the last resort because there's just nothing else that works. Yeah, you sometimes have to do a complete reinstall of Windows, and this is one option to do it. It's an easy option. You will get into the once the Windows operating system is installed, you'll get into what is called the out-of-box experience, which is a few questions that will be asked. This is very easy to do, by the way. A lot of people, will go and get a tech guy and pay a tech guy or bring their PC to a repair shop to have it reinstalled in Windows. But, if your PC has problems and you have to do that, you might as well try it on your own. This is a very simple option. Anybody can do it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.